Come on, kids, let's count and move. Clap your hands and stomp your feet to the groove. Ready, friends? Let's count and play!
One little sun shining bright, hey. One, two little birds take a flight, nay. Two. Three little feet go tap, 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 three. Four little hands give a happy clap, four, clap, four. Jump up high and clap, 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 jump. Stomp your feet and tap, tap, tap. Stomp.
Count with me, loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 bright stars wink at night.
5.
6 small frogs hop out of sight. 6. 7 tiny toes wiggle free. 7. 8 big smiles for you and me. 8. Jump up high and clap, clap, clap. Jump, jump, jump. Jump up high and clap, clap, clap. Jump, 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 jump.
Feet and tap, tap, tap. Stomp. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 little balloons float away. 10 little friends shout hooray, out hooray. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Come on, kids, let's have some fun. Hit that button, everyone. Subscribe right now. Hooray, hooray. Thanks for watching our show today.